Hey there, taste buds. How many times do you come home from work after a long, busy day and it's time to cook dinner and you're opening up the fridge and your anxiety level keeps going up and up and up? Well, I can help. I'm so excited. I have whipped up a free masterclass for you this week, and it is called Seasoned with Sass. 8 ways cooking and baking can reduce your anxiety and improve your mood. My name is Annette Daly, and I am the Happy Cook Culinary Coach, and I am here to share with you some awareness cooking practices that can help you with all kinds of health conditions in the kitchen, including depression, ADHD, addictions. It is a real thing. It's called culinary therapy, kitchen therapy, cooking therapy. I'm just calling it Seasoned with Sass. So don't delay. Go ahead and sign up today. And when you do, you get a free cookbook from me. So go ahead, sign up. It's going to be fun.